Hi friends, today we'll see one more topic on this opening inward. So we moved to the higher consciousness yesterday and we saw how the effects are. Today we see how we can accelerating growth. You must have heard about enlightenment word, right? So do you think you can enlighten this lifetime? Many of you will say, oh no, it may take many lifetimes and it may take a lot of efforts, isn't it? But it's not true, friends. You can enlighten in this lifetime and it is possible. It is possible with you, it is possible with me, and it is possible with everyone. Yeah, I heard you saying that. How can I remove all my karmas I have done in the past life? Yes, you can remove. One lifetime is enough to remove all your karmas, and this lifetime is enough to reach to the state of enlightenments. It doesn't require a lifetime to achieve, to become your higher self. Once you reach to your higher self will accelerate your growth and higher self will help you to accelerate your growth. Once you grow spiritually, then it is easy, it is possible to get enlightened in this lifetime itself, friends. Do you agree with me now? So, we all can enlighten because the previously there will be a very few rarely enlightened person. Now the earth is moving its vibrations and we are in the stage of the transition, right? So today the waves of light that are moving through your universe are high of consciousness, that many people are reaching and opening a larger channel to the higher realms. So, and creating an opportunities for thousands of people to reach enlightenment in this lifetime. So, because of this high passage, high consciousness, and there is a moving thing in the universe, so many people can get enlightened in this lifetime. So, if you make a one step towards enlightenment, your higher self make it 100 steps towards the enlightenment. So in that way you will be able to enlighten. You or me and everybody will be able to enlighten in this lifetime. Growing is nothing but reaching to the new levels of understanding. We have to understand, we have to be aware, we have to be aliveness in this. So that is nothing but we are growing. Without growth, there is a contraction in the life force energy. If you can't grow, there will be a contraction in the life force energy. With the growth, you feel you are vibrant, you are lively, you are very healthy, you are joyful. So we all want to be, right? So if you are growing spiritually, you will all be doing rapidly you can reach to your enlightenment. Only thing is you must desire enlightenment. How much you have to desire enlightenment? I'll give an example. Suppose you were pushed into the water and you just push in the water inside. How do you feel? What do you need at that time? Do you need money? Do you need a new car? What do you need there? You desperately need of your breath, isn't it? So similarly, so you will push yourself hard to get that breath. How much you push, how much you want breath at that time, that much desire, that much intensive desire you should have to reach to the enlightenment in this lifetime. I hope with this example you will understand what is that intensity that you want to have an enlightened. If you have that much desire, definitely you and me are going to get enlightened in this lifetime. Even fulfilling the material desires can create a spiritual growth. Who said if you are spiritual, you will be leaving everything? No. Because once you are materially comfortable, then only you can think of spiritual growth. If your not material comforts are not there, if you cannot give your sufficient food, sufficient needs to your family, then you will be thinking of about them only, right? So once you want to, when you grow spiritually, definitely all those things will get satisfied. You will be able to, once you growing spiritually, you will be able to manifest your material desires faster than before. Okay, faster than before, you will be able to get manifest all these material objects, your prestige, name, fame, wealth, everything you can manifest, but you find that they are very less value. You won't find that is the more value in your life. You feel that serving your higher purpose is more value than getting all these material things. You will reach to that stage. So higher self will make you to reach to that stage once you become to grow, right? Grow spiritually. This is the things that will happen. You will get everything, but you still feel that those are not so important. So at that stage, what you feel important is to serve your life purpose. When you grow spiritually, you feel more joyful, more peaceful that you will become. When you are more joyful and peaceful, you will be very stable, you will be balanced, and you will calm inner part of yourself. You will be very calm inner part of yourself. At certain level of evolution, desire disappears. Once you are keep getting the things manifesting, at certain some point you will say that, okay, I don't need anything and I don't want anything. Whatever you have is enough and you want to serve. So that desire, you need to use that desire as a tool in the beginning. At one stage, you will desire or you will seek that spiritual growth is your desire. That is your higher self. So when once you reach your higher self, you will feel that spiritual growth your desire, and you will try to grow there. By choosing and holding a positive thoughts about the growth, you can expand your potential to growth. Don't think that, oh, it will take a lifetime to grow spiritually. Don't ever think that. You can grow spiritually more joyfully rather than struggle. When you are growing spiritually, even your material life also, you can grow joyfully, with joy, with peace, than in the struggle. We have a world belief saying that, oh, we have to work hard to be happy, we have to work hard to get it. That is an old belief, friends. You need not work hard. We came to this life to enjoy the experiences. So when we came to this life planet to enjoy the, why you want to struggle, right? So grow spiritually and grow and become one to your higher self, and higher self will accelerate your growth in every area, so that you can just grow and everything is a easy path for you. The people will say, oh, I worked that much hard, as if that struggling is a achievement. No, friends. If the same thing, if you can achieve joyfully, you are more good than them, right? So just do that with lot of energy, with a joy, and with a creative intent. Realize that it is teaching you. Suppose if you are having a bad time or a critical time, don't ever think that it is a bad time. Realize that it is giving you an important lessons. Learn that lessons. It is helping you to reach to your deepest part. Your being, it is trying to reach you to the deepest part and gain the courage and strengthen your inner self. So that is why those things are coming to your. Things may not change, but overnight, but they will definitely change. Do not expect that will be the permanent. If something bad happened, may not change, but with your higher self, definitely they will going to change, and you will be grow instantaneously. Once you come out of that with more strength, you will grow instantaneously. No, do not think the spiritual growth is a step-by-step process. It can happen instantaneously. You can do it. Okay, friends? I accept more for this quality in my life. You accept the more quality in your life. Be more peaceful, more focused, and more loving. Do not affirm yourself for future like I will be peaceful. No, I am now peaceful. Affirm that you are now peaceful. Okay, always reprogram your subconscious mind using that you are accepting already what you want. Making your everyday life work is an important part of the spiritual growth. Make your everyday life, pay your bills, pay your that. Everyday life is also important. It is as important as you are doing meditation. We are not leaving anything. That is the one, that is a challenge. We are in this world and we are fulfilling all our responsibilities. At the same time, we are growing spiritually. Spiritual growth may be something that you focus only occasionally in the beginning, but later as you continue path, you feel that it is an important part of your life, friends. So once you reach that, it is an important part of your life. Accelerating your growth also comes like accepting love, accepting the people as they are in your life. You will definitely accelerate your growth. Each shift in your consciousness, each shift in your higher consciousness will take you to the next shift easier. The more you are moving to the higher consciousness, it will be very easy to move to the next other higher self. Give yourself a gift of growth. Accelerate your growth by growing spiritually. Give yourself a gift of growth. Always you have a power. You have a power and you can do it, friends. Your spiritual growth is the greatest contribution you can make yourself. That is the greatest contribution that you can make for yourself. Stop for a moment. Make a commitment for your growth, friends. You can do it. I can do it, you can do it, we all can do it. And when we reach the higher self, our higher self is accelerating our growth more joyfully, more peacefully. Okay, friends, thank you.